Here's some Franklin's Almanac trivia. Subscribe. Which holiday has featured content in the Almanac? Is it A, Valentine's Day, B, Christmas, C, Thanksgiving, or D, New Year's? The correct answer is C, Thanksgiving. In which month are sunrise and sunset times listed? Is it A, March, B, January, C, October, or D, July? The correct answer is B, January. What time of year is usually best for planting? Is it A, fall, B, early morning, C, late afternoon, or D, spring? The correct answer is D, spring. What famous saying is attributed to Franklin? Is it A, time is money, B, a dime gained, C, a penny saved, or D, a penny spent? The correct answer is C, a penny saved. Which sea creatures are sometimes mentioned? Is it A, seaweed varieties, B, fish species, C, crustacean types, or D, marine mammals? The correct answer is B, fish species. How is the Almanac typically categorized? Is it A, comic book, B, lifestyle guide, C, academic journal, or D, historical document? The correct answer is B, lifestyle guide. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.